Hi all, I wanted to make a little tutorial on how to resize images in Photoshop. If you look at the bottom of the screen in the left bottom corner, you can see that I'm at 33% and the pixel size is 3024 pixels by 4032 pixels. So this is a very large image. I'm going to zoom into 100% so you can see how large the image is up close. So once we get closer, we can see that it's quite a big file, and we're going to want to make that smaller for the Google site website. Also, my workspace is in the Essentials mode on Photoshop in case yours looks a bit different. So you're going to want to go to the options at the top of the screen if you're using a Mac, and then go to Image, and then to Image Size. So that will bring up this little image size window, and as you can see, we have that width in pixels, which is quite large, and make sure those are linked with that little link on the left side of the width, height, and resolution. And you want to make sure you're looking at the size in pixels, not inches, and if it's showing just inches, it might be this resampling issue. So we'll change that to pixels. Then identify what the longest side of your image is. In this case, the height is longer than the width, and we're going to change that to 1500. You don't have to worry about the resolution right now because the ratio of the width and the height for the Google site is all that you need to deal with. Okay, so I resized the image and you can see 33% is a lot smaller than we saw originally, and 100% will be a nice size for your Google site. Now that I have the image at a good size for me, I'm going to save it for the Google site. So I'm going to File, Save As. So with this window open, I'm going to immediately go to Format because I want to make sure it's saved as a JPEG. Then I'm going to change the title. Be aware of numbering and consistency with these titles, and make sure it's being saved to a correct spot, in this case my desktop, and click Save. When JPEG Options comes up, make sure to change the quality to 12, which is the maximum quality. So I'm going to pull up that JPEG that we just saved. This is it in preview on Mac. There are other ways to go about this, but I'm just going to verify the size by going to Tools, and then going to Adjust Size. And there we see the width and height is in inches, but we can see what it looks like in pixels. All right, we're all good.